Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take the full page screenshot on Motorola Moto G53. And to do this you will need to open any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case, let's go for settings. Now press on the power key and volume down key at the same time to make this screenshot. Then click on this button right here. It will start recording the page. You can click on a stop button if you're satisfied with the amount of the screenshot. Now when it reaches the bottom, it will also stop automatically. But let's do this again and let's stop right here. Then you can click on the screenshot, which you can save in a gallery or edit if you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.